Hi, I'm Jennifer Yim. I'm the Director of Strategy here at Fronetics, and today we're going to be talking about how to overcome the challenges of data-driven digital marketing. Data is a key component in driving decisions when it comes to digital strategies, and there are a lot of things that marketers can learn from data collection, and those can be helpful in identifying opportunities along the buyer's journey. But all of this information comes with its own set of challenges. Here are the 3 biggest challenges of a data-driven strategy and how to overcome them. Number 1, finding the right data and KPIs. There's no point in tracking data if it can't be used to serve a purpose. Digital marketers need to give the data meaning by utilizing the numbers they're collecting. Once you finalize your strategy, start tracking the specific data points that contribute to those KPIs. Some of the most important KPIs are website traffic, engagement rates, and conversions. And remember, time is a key factor in analyzing data. Number 2, as a marketer, you need the right tools to determine what's working and what isn't. Try using analytics tools that takes all of your data activity and tracks it through all of your channels and platforms. This will give you a full picture of what's happening throughout the buyer's journey, and it will also help you make more informed decisions about tweaking your strategies. Number 3, bringing it all together. The key to using data to optimize your marketing efforts is the ability to collect and analyze the data. Keep consistency in how you report and organize your results, and use this insight to drive your marketing strategy. What's working? What can you improve? Constantly be working to make your marketing plan align with your top performing digital market efforts. You can learn more at Fronetics.com.